One of the great things about the Foundation Diploma here is its culture. It's really about a diagnostic approach to teaching and arts practice, where students get to try a little bit of everything from ceramics to woodwork to textiles to film, photography. So having the opportunity to try everything and for an extended period of time really allows you to open up what options you might have.
That's why I did a foundation, because I wanted to try all the things I hadn't already. And we've done like lino printing, we did glass and woodwork. It's just trying everything.
As a creative person, quite often you're not aware of your potential in certain areas, and you really need to be given the opportunity to experiment. I think also the foundation facilitates a level of creativity for people who may be not going on to be doing a BA, who may be thinking about moving into another form of applied arts, working in industry.
Favourite part about studying here is probably actually the freedom that we get, because coming from A-levels and stuff, it's kind of like you're being marked and you're very self-conscious about what you're making. It's a very strict structure of like research, response, final project. But here it's very much like experimenting and kind of getting accustomed to the different resources that you suddenly have. Like there's so many resources, and kind of experimenting and seeing where you fit in like this big world of making. You're allowed to go wherever you want to go, and I think it's a very different experience from like the entirety of school.
So we have lots of students who've gone on to study at our undergraduate campus. We've had students go on to study nationally and internationally. We've had students who look at fine art, at fashion, but also engineering and medicine. We've had students who studied in Berlin, in Edinburgh, Glasgow, Brighton, all over the world. So Foundation really opens up those pathways to really pushing where you want to be in your future.
It's really fantastic that we have the higher education campus so close to us here on the foundation. We have access to Wednesday workshops, we have access to facilities and a supportive community of lecturers and technicians. It's fantastic to have those ties.
One of the things that we find really important here is building a community. So our students come to us from lots of different areas around the country and in local schools. We do lots of activities to kind of help them bond with each other and create a community here. We often go to quite big international spaces. Last year we went to Iceland and Tokyo and New York. But also we do small in-house things like going to London for the Tate event. Helps students to really get to know each other and find like-minded creative practitioners that helps them throughout the year and their journey with us on Foundation.